Guys, Robert Saleh was speaking. He was asked a lot about rookies and had a number of notes, talked about D. Winters. I want to talk about the linebacker situation as well for the 49ers here. But Robert Saleh was talking about Upton Stout and the job he's done. And he's been kind of the big winner. Matt Barrow's article, we talked about it yesterday. Upton Stout was ranked one of the entire rookie class for the San Francisco 49ers. And Robert Saleh talked about how, Fred Warner's giving him props, and it's clear that he's done very well for himself. And he does have the inside track on the nickel job, even though it's the inside track early in a long rand. But he also said something that it blew my mind. He's like, and we have to learn if he can tackle. And it's like, oh, that's right. They haven't tackled anybody yet.